So this had some kind of a leak within the ceiling. There's a couple of copper pipes there. And yeah, a lot of work needed. A lot of work needed. Lovely fire. Okay, so that's the living room.
Yes, and it was lovely. This has happened within 6 years.
And it was last sold.
It was last sold 6 years, and we looked online and found the pictures.
Very different house.
Very.
Look at that mould up there, Sam. Oh God. Okay. Oh, it's a double bed here. Double bed here. No, it's a single bed. Single bed there.
And a single bed there.
2 single beds in it, isn't there?
Yeah.
So where would you put a double bed in here? On this wall here?
You could put it there, yeah. Or...
Radiator's in an odd place, and it's halfway up the wall.
Yeah, what are they talking about? That's like a day bed, that one is.
That's all about there. Okay. So this is the small bedroom.
Yeah, we're just standing in the doorways.
Dare something go in there because the floor might give way.
Yeah, we're not moving the bedrooms. Just in case.
This is the bigger bedroom now, Sam, yeah?
No, it's got the water heater in it. They're not stood everywhere.
So that's the top of the stairs. Okay. Watch you don't fall down. No handrail, is there? No handrail?
No handrail, no. So that would have to be rectified, because I can't do without.
Okay.
But there's not that many stairs, so we could do without downstairs loo. So you could have that as your washer dryer out there. I bet this door doesn't open, does it?
Oh, it does. It's open, is it?
Oh right, okay.
Oh, okay. That's all right then.
Right there. That'd be ideal.
Shall we could go out there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Look at the pictures from 6 years ago. It was really nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's a very different house.
It was really nice inside.
Very different house.
Yeah. It is rather